Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to create a sequential odd number list in Excel. Have you ever needed a list of just odd numbers in your spreadsheet, and didn't want to manually type them all out? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a few super easy ways to generate that list automatically. We'll cover a simple formula-based approach, using the fill handle, and even a more dynamic solution. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, let's jump right into it. Screen recording. Excel is open, showing a blank spreadsheet. Method 1. Simple formula. Okay, the first and simplest method is using a formula. Let's say we want our odd number list to start in cell A1. Step 1 in cell A1, type in your first odd number, which will be 1. Step 2 now, in cell A2, type the following formula, equals A1 plus 2. Step 3 hit enter. You'll now see the number 3 appear. The magic here is that we're simply adding 2 to the previous cell. Because odd numbers are always 2 apart, this formula will generate your sequence. Now to quickly fill this down, you can either click and drag the little square at the bottom right corner of cell A2, the fill handle down as far as you need your list to go, or you can double-click that square. Excel will automatically fill the formula down to the last cell containing data in the adjacent column. Demonstrate clicking and dragging and double-clicking the fill handle. Super simple, right? This is probably the quickest way if you know approximately how many odd numbers you need. Method 2. Using the fill handle directly. Here's an alternative method, again using the fill handle, but without writing out the formula. Step 1 in cell A1, type 1. Step 2 in cell A2, type 3. Step 3 select both cells A1 and A2. Step 4 now, grab the fill handle at the bottom right corner of cell A2. Click and drag it down as far as you need. Excel intelligently recognizes the pattern, adding 2 each time, and automatically fills the rest of the odd numbers for you. This method is visually very intuitive. Demonstrate selecting both cells and dragging the fill handle. Method 3. A dynamic solution, row formula. This last method is a little more advanced and provides a more dynamic solution. What I mean by dynamic is that if you insert rows above your odd number list, it will automatically adjust and still give you a sequential list. Step 1 in cell A1, type the following formula, equals 2 row, dash 1. Step 2 hit enter. You'll see 1 appear. Step 3 use the fill handle to drag the formula down. Demonstrate dragging the formula down. Let me explain what this formula is doing. The row function returns the row number of the cell it's in. So in cell A1 row, we'll return 1. We then multiply that by 2, 2 times 1 is equal to 2, and subtract 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. In cell A2 row, returns 2. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. The key here is that the formula is tied to the row number, not a specific cell reference. This makes it dynamic. Demonstrate inserting a row above A1 and showing that the odd number list remains correct. See? Even when I insert a row, the sequence stays intact. This is really useful if your spreadsheet layout is likely to change. Wrapping up. So there you have it. 3 simple methods to create a sequential odd number list in Excel. Whether you prefer a simple formula, using the fill handle directly, or a more dynamic solution, you now have the tools to get the job done. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. See you in the next video.